The Wire Inc. Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the product are provided in the description below. Established in 1994, The Wire Inc. is an independent Canadian internet service provider (ISP) based in Toronto. They offer a comprehensive suite of services tailored to meet the needs of both businesses and individuals. Their core offerings include high-speed business internet, co-location services, managed server and network solutions, voice over IP, VoIP, web hosting, and web development. The Wire Inc. emphasizes reliability and affordability, utilizing state-of-the-art equipment, Canadian-based servers, and low-latency bandwidth to ensure optimal performance. Their managed services provide clients with proactive monitoring and support, reducing the burden of in-house IT management. Additionally, their web development services focus on creating user-centric, accessible, and responsive websites designed to attract and convert visitors. Primarily serving small to medium-sized enterprises, SMEs, The Wire Inc. caters to organizations seeking robust and scalable internet and hosting solutions without the complexities associated with larger providers. Their personalized approach and commitment to customer service make them a suitable choice for businesses requiring tailored solutions. Among its strengths, The Wire Inc. boasts over 2 decades of experience in the Canadian internet industry, reflecting a deep understanding of the market and evolving technological landscape. Their focus on utilizing cutting-edge technology and maintaining Canadian-based servers ensures data sovereignty and compliance with local regulations. Furthermore, their comprehensive service portfolio allows clients to consolidate multiple IT needs under a single provider, simplifying vendor management. However, there are certain weaknesses to consider. As a regional ISP, The Wire Inc.'s service availability is primarily confined to the Toronto area, limiting access for potential clients outside this region. Additionally, while they offer a diverse range of services, larger enterprises with more complex or global requirements may find their offerings less comprehensive compared to multinational providers. In summary, The Wire Inc. presents a compelling option for SMEs in the Toronto area seeking reliable, affordable, and personalized internet and hosting solutions. Their extensive experience, commitment to customer service, and comprehensive service offerings position them as a noteworthy contender in the regional ISP market.